This review is for the Eureka Whirlwind 3272 AV vacuum cleaner. This model uses the two-stage whirlwind cyclonic action instead of your typical vacuum bags. It also contains a HEPA filter, as you can see here, and at the bottom it has your dials on how to adjust depending on what floor that you're going to be vacuuming on. It's actually got a 12 amp motor, and this model also comes with the telescopic self-cleaning duster, which, if you can see from here, you would use this like any other duster. This actually does come out, thus the telescopic duster. This does, extend so that you can easily clean ceiling fans or even down below underneath cabinets and such. And then whenever you want to clean it, you put it back in here and you're going to push down on this button, and all of the dust and dirt will get sucked into the vacuum cleaner. So it's a self-cleaning duster. Now, this model, I was a little confused at first because I thought that it came with what's called the pet paw, which usually sits right here. Because as you can tell from the directions that I've got here, it makes it look like there is what's called the power paw that comes with it, but on this model there isn't a power paw, though there is the crevice tool, which extends right here. And if we come around to the back of the machine, you can see that there's also an attachment which is good for upholstery. This is what the back of the vacuum looks like, and I've got it all plugged in and ready to go. I'm going to show you how it cleans on two different types of flooring. First, my tile floors. My tile floors aren't that dirty, except when it comes to underneath the cabinet area. If you can look, I've got all kind of pet hair and crumbs and stuff like that. That's from having a 2-year-old and a dog in the house. So we're going to see first how the Eureka works on cleaning up this type of area. So I'm going to put it back like that, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand. The suction is really good. Okay, I'm going to stop it for just a second so I can make sure that you hear what I say. The suction is pretty good, actually. I'm really surprised at how well it picked up the dirt there. And it also gets really close to the edges. When I was vacuuming right here along the baseboards, it picked up everything there in its path. So it does do really well along the edges. Now, I'm going to use it quickly in here. Okay, my carpet has a lot of dog hair on it, and we're going to see how well the Eureka Whirlwind works on the carpet here. Okay, once again, I have to say I'm impressed with the suction power. I don't notice any pet hair left behind here on my carpet. It even sucks hard enough that it does still leave the lines, even though this section of carpet that I'm vacuuming here is very high traffic in my house. And multiple times I could hear the rattle of something being picked up, which honestly I didn't think this area was just too bad. So I'm really surprised that it picked up as much as it sounded like it did. So far this sounds like a really good vacuum cleaner. I think that you'll be pleased with it.